Hi, this is David Oaf with Preferred Utilities, and I'm going to show you how to use BMU Edit to upload and download programs into and out of the BurnerMate Universal. You are going to need a USB A to B cable, and you're going to need software called BMU Edit that you can get off of our website, and we actually have another YouTube video that shows you how to download that software and get it set up. So first thing I'm going to do is I've got the A side of my BMU edit cable, and I'm going to plug the other side into the BMU chassis. There's a little USB connection. For me, it's on the left side of my BMU chassis. A lot of times we mount this chassis vertically, and when we do, the USB port will be on the bottom. Also, there's a couple of things that may happen the first time that you do this. As soon as you plug in this cable, you might get a pop-up that says that the BMU is trying to install drivers on your computer, and that's okay. So hit OK, hit Next, hit Allow, and go through that sequence. The other thing is when you open BMU Edit, it may give you a pop-up menu or a pull-down menu asking you what the version is of your BMU controller. And if you're not sure what firmware version you have, it's on a little white label underneath this orange terminal strip right down here in the BMU chassis. So it'll say version 2E or 2C, and then you just use the pull down menu to get the appropriate version. So now that I'm plugged in, I'm going to open up BMU Edit on my computer. And it looks like this. I'm just going to go to BMU, and then I'm going to read from BMU. You'll get this little progress bar that tells you that it's working. Or you might get that pop-up that says, pick your software version. But I've done this a couple of times with this laptop and this chassis, so I've already been through that. Okay, it's almost done reading. And this is pulling my parameter settings and my fuel air ratio curves out of the BMU. And that's pretty much all of the per project information that you have stored in the controller. And now that I have the program out of the BMU chassis, I can go to Save As and type in a name, BMU demonstration. I click Save. And now that configuration is on my hard drive, and I can save it there, or I can email it to somebody. Now, if I want to do the reverse and take a program that's in BMU Edit, I can go to File Open and open up a file that I previously saved, and then I just come over here to BMU and then write to BMU. And it gives you a death warning. I click Write, and now it's writing the information. Now, bear in mind, the BMU is already saving all this information in two places already. There's EEPROM on the BMU chassis, and there's EEPROM on the LCD keypad that sync together. So this data is already in two places. So mainly I use BMU Edit if I want to store the program on my hard drive, or if I want to send that program to somebody else. It's almost done writing. And there we are, no errors. So now you know how to use the basic upload and download features of BMU Edit. Thank you for your time.